Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how we can create a booking form using Gravityforms WordPress plugin. So first of all, let me go here in dashboard, and then you need to go in plugins. Then you can install a new plugin from here. You can simply go here and upload a plugin file. So let me go here, and here you can see this one is the plugin zip file. Just you can click here, and after that you can install it from here. So let me go in install plugins and scroll down. So you can get the plugin from the official website gravityforms.com. so here you can go and check the pricing. After that, on the left side you can go in forms, then click here all forms. So to add a new form you can click here add new. Then here you can see you will also get some templates that are pre-built. You can also start from scratch. Click here and you can give a title booking form. Then you can give some description, then scroll down, click here use blank form. So now you can add name, email. So let me go here and add name field. Then again scroll down, add email, and for the booking we can add date and time. So click here to add date and then add time, and after that you can add the checkboxes. So you can add multiple choice as well as radio buttons. You can also add checkboxes. So for example, let me go here, select a service, then scroll down, click here edit choices. For example, bridal makeup, party makeup, so whatever services you want to add you can easily do. Then after that, now let's go back and click on save form. So in the booking form these are the important fields, date and time. So now to add this form in website, just you can copy this shortcode, scroll down, and here you can see this one is the shortcode. Now you need to go and add a new page. For example, makeup services booking form, then add the shortcode. You can also add the form from here. For example, let me select here form, then insert form, then click on publish button. And now if you want to see the form on the front side, you can go here, scroll down. So here you can see these are all of the required fields that are available for a booking form in WordPress website.